Hey guys, Branden Palmer, Grande Prairie Nissan here. Just wanted to take a quick second to review the whole DEFA winter setup that we have here for you guys. This is absolutely outstanding. So right beside me here in this case, right there you'll notice that there's actually a battery charger. So what this is going to do for you, it's actually going to make sure that the battery is topped up nice and securely, but also you don't have to worry about it overcharging. So there's no risks involved there. Keeps it really nice, safe and secure. Now, this up top here, we all know about the block heater. Absolutely outstanding. The DEFA block heater, very robust against the elements. It's going to help to keep everything nice and warm and tidy during the winter for easy starting. Now this right here is a cabin heater. So you can actually start that up and that's actually going to heat up. It's already blowing warm, just like that. And that's going to heat the cab for you without even cycling the engine on. So between the battery charger and the cabin warmer, you can have a fully charged battery, block heater plugged in. It's going to make for easy cycling for the engine. And then the cabin heater, you're going to be beautiful inside. You can set it with Bluetooth even. Guys, you can set it so if you're planning on leaving the house at 8:32 a.m., it'll be nice and toasty by 8:31. You open the door, it's already warm and you didn't even have to turn the engine on. You start the car and it is outstanding. Keeps you really warm, safe and secure through the whole winter time. Thanks for watching.